Hey guys, this is Elias with Softly, and in this video I'm going to show you how to export metabox custom fields to Google Sheets using Zapier and WPL export. Now guys, to get started we need an export, and I have one ready here. Now let me show you how this looks. We have a lot of fields in this export, right? Let me preview so you can see really quick. We have a title, content, map address, street, country, state, city, neighborhood, opening and closing times. Then we have the open scenes field with some date, and these ones are time pickers. Then we have rating, cuisine, dress code, executive chef, phone number, website, price, average price, gallery, and then we have a group field which contains 3 subfields, which are customer name, comments, and review rating. Now, all of this is the data we're going to export. So let me close this and go back to Manage Exports. Now, to export metabox fields to Google Sheets, we need Zapier. And let's just go here to Zapier. You can create a free account. And the next step is click on this Create button. So let's do it and select Apps. Now, once there, we're going to need 2 things, basically, a trigger and an action. Now, the trigger, let's click on that. It's going to be WPL export, right? So here it is. Let's click on that. And once we have selected WPL export as a trigger, we're going to need an event. Now, this event is going to be a new export file. So let's click continue and sign in here, which is going to open this window. And we're going to need an API key and a website URL. Now, don't worry, this is very simple. Let's go here to WPL export and click on their all export settings. And here it is, right? Very easy. It's under the Zapier integration settings, and you can see here API key. Just copy that, paste that here, and copy the website's URL. So let's do that, and paste that here, and just click on the button to connect that. Now this is done, so let's go back to Zapier and continue. Now next we need to test our trigger, so let's do that. Cool. Now Zapier is detecting all of this info, and all of this is looking good. This is the export file and all of the other information coming from WPL export. So let's click on this button to continue with this selected record. Now for the action, we're going to need Google Drive. So let's choose that and select an event. Now the event in this case, it's going to be replace file. So let's continue and sign in to our Google account. All right, let's authorize that. And there you go. Let's click continue and choose the drive we're going to use. Now in my case, it's called my Google Drive, but in your case, it may be different. Same with the folder. I don't have any custom folders here, but you may have one, so you can just select that here. All right, then for the file to replace, we're going to choose this one, right? Metabox export. Now, again, guys, this is the one we're using, but yours may be different. Where is it? Here it is. Cool. Now for the file, this is what's going to be coming from the WPL export. So I'm going to choose export file. Now convert to document. I'm going to say true. File name. You can use whatever name works for you. You can even choose some stuff from here. But in my case, I'm going to choose this same name here. So I'm going to type in here metabox export, right? Cool. Now this is everything we need. So let's click continue and test our action. Cool, guys. So these 2 green check marks means that our trigger and our action are working as expected. So let's give this app a name. I'm gonna call this, let's call it the same, metabox export, all right? And publish our app. All right, so let's go back to WPL export, click on manage exports and run this export again. Now, this is going to take a few seconds. It should be fairly quick, but nevertheless, let's just pause the video here and let this run and come back when it's ready. Alright guys, so WPL export is finished. So let's go here to Google Sheets and wait until this reloads. Oh, that was quick. So here we have all of the data we had in our export file, and it's looking really good. It seems like we have all of the restaurants. There you go, we have 1200 here. And well, we have all of the fields too: state, city, neighborhood, opening and closing times, rating, cuisine, dress code. Here we have the gallery, price range, average price, and the clonable group fields, which are customer name, comments, and review ratings. They are here too. So all of this is looking real nice, guys. And there you have it. It's that easy to export metabox custom fields to Google Sheets using Zapier and WPL export. Now guys, if you want to know how to import this data too, you can check out the other videos in our channel or go to our website at wplimport.com. Now, if you're using ACF or Jet Engine to import and export your data, you can do that too with WPL import at WPL export. Just as I said before, check out the other videos and go to our website at wplimport.com. And for now, just thank you for watching and see you next time.